In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video in Microsoft Sway. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is come over to Microsoft Sway. So it is sway.cloud.microsoft and go ahead and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we've got a few different options. So what we can do is create new, start from a topic, start from a document, or we can start from a template or get inspired by a few featured sways. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on new. Then under where it says title your sway, what we can do is click on the plus icon. And now we got 4 different tabs. Go ahead and click onto the media tab and then click onto embed. So it is here, media embed. And now basically you want to go ahead and paste your embedded code here. So for example, if you want to put in a YouTube video, I've just got a video here that I've done in the past. So from here, we want to go ahead and click onto where it says share. And then under share, we need to click on embed. And then from here, go ahead and copy this, come back to here, paste that in, and then go ahead and click on enter. And now if we click out of that, now you might get this error. You can directly insert a YouTube video by selecting the video card. We can convert this embed code to a video card for you now. So go ahead and click on convert now. Now if you got errors like me, that's okay. So what happens, some YouTubers don't allow their videos to embed into websites, and I've forgotten I've done that. So what I've done, I've just chosen another random video here. So I've just done share. Now I've embedded that, copied that basically, and then I've come over here and I'll put that in here. And if I go to design, you can see I've embedded those videos inside of Sway.